Hi everyone, this is Shubham Rai again from Designy, and in this video we'll be looking about what things are there in this real estate template, CRM template. Okay, so welcome to the real estate CRM template designed by Designy, and all-in-one property management system built entirely on Google Sheet. This is all-in-one automated real estate sheet. Firstly, we have the agent sheet or agent module. This is where you add and manage your agents. Toggle them active or inactive in this way, active or inactive, and the CRM uses it everywhere automatically. In buyer's lead, seller's lead, or select agent for filters. Here too, it uses automatically. Even here you can see an agent side. Here too it uses automatically based on here selections, based on agent based selections. Secondly, we have buyer's lead module or buyer's sheet. Here you enter buyer information like name, contact number, email address, lead type from this drop down box, and lead details, lead source from this drop down box, and source detail which is based on lead source. Like you can see this drop down for reference source, you can select anything from that, and for digital advertising you can see lead source changes, you can select from this. Based on these options we have multiple things, and source details, agent type, status too, like when it's very new you can select to be continued, and later on follow up, interested, site visit schedule, site visit book, king confirmed, price negotiation document, close lost. You have this kind of status, lead details, recent property visit, where you can just select this, like let's say it's this one, 18, let's select it, and you'll automatically see that all property visited will also get filled. Now you can see, just wait for a second, and you can see Azay10 is updated, and also you can see over here is visit form link has also been updated. From here, when you press it, it will take you to the Google form. Everything will be pre-filled, like property ID, property name, buyer's name, buyer name, agent name, visit date. Let's select today for example, and let's overall interest label, let's say very interested, budget type, let's type anything, and sunrise over here. Here is route, and here visit summary, you can also write visit summary, let's say random right now. Now next action also you can select from here, like I selected call back later. From next follow update also you can just select from here, just select it and add submit. When you do this, it will create a widget report that will be saved in your widget folders, respective property folders. Okay, so what happened is this one. So we have also a buyer budget where you can enter buyer's budget, booking site, booked site also you can enter from here, where you can enter property ID for here, and we have token amount paid for booking price code, this one. We have last contact date too, from just where you can double click and select last contact date, last contact time too, where we have the list of time, just select whatever time your is. And we have also contact schedule date, it also work in the same manner, just double click it, it opens the calendar, select it and enter it. We have also last contact schedule time too. And finally we have notes, and these are the section you don't need to touch. After buyer's lead, we have seller's lead module or seller's lead sheet. You can see over here, this also works similar to the buyer's lead but with seller's specific workflow. Here too you can see name, contact number, email address, lead type similar to the buyer's one, and lead details, lead source, this is also similar to the buyer's one, and subcategory, this is also depends on particular lead source what we have selected, similar to the buyer's one. And source details, we have source details, agent, and we have status, similar, everything is similar to the buyers. So status details, last contact date, time of last contact, contact schedule date, contact schedule time. Here we have seller specific thing. You can see right over here we have site visit done and update it in site details. What happens is, like, when you select the status, which is over here in column J, status to, let's say, site visit schedule, now you can see a checkbox will appear over site visit done. Here you can see checkbox has appeared. Okay, now when finally your team or you do the site visit, you can just click it once and it will change the status to site visited. Now you can also see updated in site details, means it asks you to update it in the site details right over here. So when you finally update this and just click updated, it will show in the site details too that it has been updated. Okay, lastly we have notes. After you see the seller's lead module, you can see over here is the site details module, where this is your property database. Enter property name, property ID, owner name, agent, select agent, owner email address, owner phone contact numbers, owner type. You can see individuals, builders, brokers, development company, and others. You can enter city, locality, landmark, full address, map link. Go to the Google map, pinpoint the locations and just copy the locations and enter your link over here such that you can easily find your locations next time. And we have latitude, longitude as well. We also have property type, where you can see apartment, individual house, villa, row, plot, commercial, office, shop, others, etc. And we also have configurations like this one, and we have carpet area, build up area, square feet, plot, villa area, if it's plot or villa, floor number, total floor in the building, furnishing type, unfurnished, semi-furnished, fully furnished, and others. And age of property, position status to is it ready to move, under construction, under renovations, or etc etc. And position date if it's under construction, sorry. View, surroundings, nearby, USP, facing, parking, amenities. Now we have here is asking price and price per square feet. So when you enter the asking price and the carpet area right over here in the queue, so when you enter that, it will automatically calculate the price per square feet. You can see it's over 20, and negotiable is just no, slightly, and expected rent, maintenance charges, legal status, where you can see in the legal status there are different drop downs, and we have documents available, registration numbers. And the beautiful part of this real estate CRM theme is that when you enter the property name, property ID, and additional details over here, it will automatically create the folder, Google Drive folders for you, which will be saved on your Google, particularly Google account and Drive. I'll show you one, like I'll enter just like this, let's say I enter this thing, and you can see right over here now Drive will be created. Okay, so site file will be created over here in your Drive. And you can also see QR link. If you click over here, the QR code will open, where you can, for easy access of mobiles. And we also have site visit report link. And if you will click on this Drive, as you can see, I'll show you once. This opens the folder. Okay, like you can see my Drive property master folder, where every properties will be saved. Like let's see, just we have created two properties right now. You can see one was recently to show you, and previous one was for the demo purpose. So I'll click this open, and over here you can see documents, marketing, photos, and visit reports, where you can keep your documents specific with respect to the properties. In visit, you can see the recent one that we submitted, Okay, this one recently submitted. You can see visit report, property ID, property name, buyer's name, agent name, visit date, overall interest level, budget discussion, whatever we have filled, it will be saved right over here. So let's go back. Now we have this QR link. If you will press this, it will open the QR code where you can scan this and go to the drive again. And we have current site status, available, under negotiation, booked, sold, hold, inactive. And we have listing priority to high, low, medium, last site update date. Okay, we'll just double click it, select the date, anything you want, site visit link report. It will again open the drive, same one you can see over here. Yes, this one. Okay, you can also enter closing price, token amount received, till sellings, and notes. Now we have the property search module or property search page, where you can just enter cities, localities, property configurations, budget, furnishing, possession status with respect to your need, and just hit enter. You'll get all the details respectively. So let me show you once. Okay, over here you can still see I have just typed the wrong spelling. I have entered search. You can see I have entered the RJJRLING, and it still shows city Darjeeling perfectly match. You can also enter budget to more specify this, and now you can see, let's enter the budget. Now let's enter 18,000 and hit search. Okay, and what happens is budget, it will show 30% up and down budgets. So you can see here the asking price is 20,000. We have entered 18,000, but still shows. So this is a beautiful thing over here. And you can just click on view property. Just click here and you'll get this link. Just click over there and you can see you'll be taken to particularly that one. Here's the asking price, which is 20,000. Okay, so that's all about the property search space. Now nextly we have to do automation or to-do list, which is totally automated list, where you'll see is task type, source details, source row, agent, client name, status, and this all list will be auto created, like checks last contact date, last contact time, or few additional things, and just creates a to-do list based on that task and gives you a reminder to do that task, due date, due time, priority, and we have view task, from where you can just click on view and that will take to your tax related tasks. You can see over here. So we have done button too. If you have the tax done, so done it, last update date, and tax ID. After you finish this task, you do need to update your particular sheet too. If you don't update that sheet, it will again be highlighted on to-do list. Now we have a dashboard sheet or module, where you can see the dashboard shows property analytics, buyer analytics, seller analytics, and agent analytics, and quick metrics like available property, total, buyers, sellers, pending tasks, agent list, everything updated automatically. Okay, so let's see one by one. Here you can see all the metrics, 8 different metrics shown over here: total property, available property, pending tasks, total buyer, total seller, site update due, like in, if you can see in sellers, if you have this one update in site details like this on tick check box, then it will show site update due. Like if I'll just do this one, this, and you can see it will be reduced to 2. Okay, so you have pending tax 2, which is from the to-do list. If like I do this, you can see pending tax 2 decreases and tax done 2 increases. Okay, so we have agent, active agent 2, from where you can here see like we have 4 active agents, so it shows. Now we have property analytics, where you can see property possession stats, property possession stats, property priority stats, property furnishing type, property status, property owners type, buyer analytics, buyer lead source, buyer lead type, buyer status, seller analytics, where you can see seller status, seller lead type, seller lead source, We have agent analytics, where you can see sellers lead by agent, buyers lead by agent. Now we have also created a beautiful thing for you, which is the agent filtered system. So here just select an agent, instant filter buyers, filter to-do list, filter seller, filter site will be shown to you. So what you need to do is just click over here, just click the agent name, and just wait for a moment, and just go to over here. You can see filtered to-do list based on particular data agent name, and you can also see filtered buyer based on particular data agent only, and you can also see filtered seller based on particular data agent. Can also see filtered site based on data agent only. And to do install this, you just need to click around setup update, or just watch our videos that we have for setting up this CRM template. This CRM saves hours of manual work every day, keep your data organized, and give you professional automated systems for running your real estate business. Enjoy using the Real Estate CRM template designed by Designy. Thank you very much for watching. Here I'm Shubham taking a leave from you. Thank you very much for watching. For more updates, do subscribe to our channels and watch more such videos.